This will be the elevator at Menards in New Philadelphia, Ohio. Wow, it's upstairs. That's a rarity. Innovation Universal. Probably another Abell. I think this one opened the exact same day as the one by me, so here it is. Yep, Abell. Not a bad motor at all. Here's the second floor. Here's your button. This is just like the one by me. It's a little over leveled, but other than that, not too bad. Let's head down to one. There's your certificate. It's like about to expire. There it goes.